Welcome to Accelerated Engineering. My name is John. Today I'm going to answer the question, what are all the possible combinations of 1, 2, 3, 4 inside of Excel? Because I love Excel. So the first things first is that there is a difference between combinations and permutations. Combinations don't care about the order. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4, 3, 2, 1 are the same. It's only one combination, all those digits combined. Like in a hand of cards, you can rearrange them however you want, and it's still the same combination of cards. What I think this question is asking is about the permutations, where the order matters. And so I've written a function that shows all of the permutations of a given set of numbers. In this case, I'm going to say there are 4 numbers available, the digits 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to show all 4 of them, and then the actual numbers that I'm showing are the number 1, the number 2, the number 3, and the number 4. And there you go. This just spits out all of the permutations of the digits 1 through 4. Now the reason that I had to put in those all those digits is just that if I just go permute show for 4, then it just spits out the numbers. Oh no, it actually just is unhappy. So we'll go like that. If I leave that argument blank, then it includes the digits 0 through 3 instead, but that's a minor problem. No problem at all. There is a link in the description of this video to the spreadsheet where you can copy this function for yourself. Copying a tab from that spreadsheet into your own spreadsheet will give you this function, and that's it. Please remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Don't forget to go back to Quora and upvote the answer, and I hope that you're having a great day. Happy excelling!